Hello everyone. So today we are going to implement the Python MySQL connectivity program to select and display the employee record. So before that, we need to have some concept regarding what do you mean by database, because here what we are doing, here we are connecting our Python code with MySQL. What is MySQL? MySQL is a kind of a database. So before dealing and understanding more about the code, let's understand what do you mean by database. So database is a collection of data. Now there are different type of database, but here we are going to use relational database, that is collection in the form of table. So for that, first we are going to import MySQL connector inside our code. Now, in order to create database, we need a software, and the software you can easily download from the Google, and the name of the software is MySQL. So just download that software, and inside the software we will going to create database. Database means a collection of some record. So here I have created one database of employee. Now since I told that the collection of data is in the form of table, so inside that I have created one table called employee details. Now here there are three employee, and I have given the details of those employee like name, age, address. So these are the three value and the constant for any employer. What are the name of the employee, what are the age, and what are the address of the employer. Now what is the requirement of our problem statement is we need to display the given data to our console, that is Python. With the help of Python we are going to extract this database that we have created here into our console, and this is the beautiful thing about Python, that you can play and work with database. So for that, first of all we need to import mysql.connector library. So I have imported mysql.connector as a library. Since this name is very big, so we use this syntax called as SQL. So instead of writing this much, we can simply denote it by SQL. So we imported the library called mysql.connector. Now whenever, see, when you open this database, there is something credential that you need to log in, like your username, your password, all those things. So in order to connect our Python program to this software, we need to give all those credentials. So first of all, we have to give the host. Since it is running on my computer, not on any server, so we are going to give the host as localhost. Now user. So by default, MySQL gives the username as root. So that is the username that I have used here. Now password. Password I said is 12345. Now what is the name of database that you want to extract? So I just want to extract the database of employee. So since we created the database of employee, so here is the database of employee. Now once we execute this given instruction, we have a connection between our program and this software. So now we connected our program with this software. Now our task is that we need to extract all this value, and we have to show that value in our console. Now how I will going to do that? Now we have to create one object called myCursor. How can we create that object? See, whatever instruction you executed here, these instruction will be created inside one object called mydb, and inside by using that object we will going to call one method called .cursor. This is a default method, and this will be going to be used in every MySQL Python connectivity program. Now myCursor is having the value. Now myCursor is working as an object where it is having the entire credential, and now there is a connectivity. Now when I have an object as myCursor, now in order to extract all the data, we need to write some instruction, and that instruction has set of rules, and for that there is a programming language called SQL. So we are going to use SQL here. Now SQL is very deep, so I will just going to give you some hint about how we will going to extract here. See here what I'm going to do. I'm going to use select star from employee detail. That means select all record from employee detail. What is employee details? Employee details is a table that we are using. So you can see employee detail is the table. So select star means select all the details of the employer from this table. Now when I got those details, we will going to execute that one. Once we executed all the details and all the query, this is called query. Okay, so once we executed the query, now we want to print that query inside our console prompt. So for that we are going to use this function method called fetch all. Now fetch all will going to fetch all the query related to it. So whatever be the output of the query, it will going to fetch all the output, and it will going to save it into the object called my result or a variable. So here my result is a variable where it will going to store the entire value. Now using the for loop, for x in my result, print x, we will going to print all the value. So I will just going to show how we will going to print in the console prompt. So Python, and this is the name of the program, and see I already extracted the value from this software which is called database. So this is the beauty of Python code, that you can connect with the database. So with the help of Python, we connected our code to this software and we extracted this data and we stored those data into our console prompt.